I'm coming at you with another video. Yes, another video. I'm sorry. I'm sick. I did this video already twice. And I don't know if they just hate this video, my computer, my laptop, and my camera. I guess they hate this video. They really do not like Ipsy, because I've done this 3 times. Well, 2 times. It's the 3rd time. So, anyways, if you don't know what Ipsy is a $25 a month fee subscription. You get 5 full-size items, and yeah, it was be over $100. So let's get up in this. I'm sorry about my voice, and like I got ringing in my ear, like I'm really sick. No, I don't have COVID. I just have a horrible cold. And I went to the doctor, and he was like, no, I did the COVID check and everything else. I got my test results. Nah, I don't got COVID. It's negative. But I have like the worst headache. I think I have like a sinus infection. Like it's just no. It's a no. They was like that I have different symptoms of different types of colds. I'm like, maybe I have all 3. Like, it is what it is. Oh, by the way, they just finished doing my living room. I'm so happy. If you've been following my journey on my Snapchat, link is down below. Also my Instagram is down below, and also my TikTok is down below, and my email's down below, so go check it out. My place was in a flood. I have black mold everywhere. They took the mold out of this bathroom, but they gotta redo the bathroom. They redid the living room. They took the mold out of the living room. So yeah, I'm just happy. I'm happy they're starting to do stuff now and everything. Alright, let's get up in this. So like twice, right? It's Mother's Day. That's the thing. No, it says flower power, and then it says we love moms. That's why I say it's Mother's Day, but the theme is flower power of May. For Mother's Day, all I did was make my mom breakfast. I didn't give my mom flowers, because my mom and flowers, they don't mix. I gave her flowers before just because, and those were dead in like the next 3 days. So yeah, she needs fake flowers, or those flowers that's everlasting. That's the flowers that she need. She don't need no real flowers, or like real flowers that are not everlasting, you know? But yeah, so I gave her that and a card. I made her breakfast in a card. Literally, that's it. It's a happy Mother's Day, because I did a lot of shit for her birthday. Her birthday and Mother's Day co-signed. Like, her birthday is on the 4th. And then Mother's Day, I think it was on the 7th, I don't know. But it was on that Sunday. So it was just like, it went together. Like, I was like, this is her week. So I was just doing little things every single day. That's what I usually do. The first product is this. This is Shane & B Miami brush set. There's like 5 brushes in here, but I only have 4 because I gave one away to my friend. It was her birthday, and it's a large eyeshadow brush. It's a large blender brush. And I have small eyes, and the only reason how I would ever use that is to put one eyeshadow on the whole lid. But to be honest, I would just use this brush right here, a packer brush, to put it all over the lid, if anything, and then just have like a little blender brush like this brush right there to like blend out the edges, literally. So I didn't need that brush, and she has bigger eyes than me, well, eyelids than me, so I gave it to her. I really didn't want this brush set. I saw that it was a possibility. This is what they chose for me. So it was a possibility. I did not like it. Do not like it at all. I did get a perfume stick for add-ons, and I got the right color of Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Gel, but that's coming. And I don't know when is it coming, because I got it in the second add-ons, but I hope it's coming soon. Like, I hope it's coming soon, because, like, it's crazy how this comes, but my add-ons don't come. Alright, next product. Hold up, let me see how much that retails for. That Shade B Fresh Set retails for $24.95. $24.95. Why $24.95, huh? Why $24.95? This right here, this is a charcoal and lavender deodorant. I just got it because there was a lip oil and this and something else that I didn't want. It was a whole bunch of stuff that I didn't want. And I was like, freak it. I'll just choose the deodorant. But it has lavender. I like sort of vanilla. I didn't see the lavender part. My nose is not working, so I don't know if it's, strong or not. I smell something. Oh. Oh, I just smell lavender. Oh, it's breaking up my cold though. That's good. Maybe I don't like lavender, the smell of lavender. But for my nose, yes. But this is a deodorant. This is not for the nose. It's not Vapor Vicks, I have like 3 lip oils that I got from this bag, basically. All of them I got from Ipsy. No, one of them I got from BoxyCharm, but majority of them I got from Ipsy. So because of that, I was like, no, I don't want no lip oil. I don't want no lip oil. So I was like, I guess I gotta take this. And I have like 3 deodorants before I use this one. But like, why not? And then this retails for $18. Also, this is a natural deodorant. So I was like, let me try natural deodorant again. Because the last time I tried natural deodorant, I had bumps on my underarms and it was itchy. Like, I was allergic to that deodorant. And the other one, it just clogged up my underarms. And I couldn't deal with it. Oh, this is the perfume stick that I was talking about. The funny thing is that my add-ons, the perfume stick, I added both of them at the same time, the second add-on. But the perfume stick came, but the other one didn't come. It's in transit. It just sent the mail that it's gonna come. It just sent the tracking information. It didn't leave the warehouse yet, but they sent it separately, which is weird. This was one of my choices. Options, but it was between this and the mask that I really wanted, and I chose the mask. You guys know I'm into skincare, so yeah. But this is really good. It has like peach and what else did it have? This is a Mandarin Soft Floral Light Musk. It's aruka.com, and this is euphoric. Your Aruka perfume stick, and the scent is euphoric. This baby right here retails for $24. I got it for $12, so basically I got it half off. I love a steal. I love a deal. I love a steal. Ooh, that did not. It is not. What I don't like is that you push it down. You see? Pull it up, right? And go down, and it goes down, and it goes down. I love the idea of it being a stick. So you could just put it on the spots that you want it to be like, to smell good, like just like the little spots. So when like someone hugs you, they're like, you smell good, You know, I like it, but it comes down. It moves, and I don't like that. Like, you have it up, it's up, and then now it's down. And then it's easy to break, because I broke, and I'll put it back in. But it's like, it's a nice idea. It just wasn't executed perfectly. And then the way it looks like, it kind of looks like a KKW lipstick. That's what it looks like, a KKW lipstick. But it's a perfume. I'm not mad at it because they got my preference for perfume right. This is the first time that they ever had perfume as an option for me to pick or anything. So I really like that. I really like that. And they got it right. They got what I want right. It's cruelty-free, non-toxic, sulfate-free, gluten-free, vegan, and paraben-free. This has 4.5 grams, 0.16 ounces. It says enhance your aura by perfuming your skin with soft dabs on areas such as wrist, neck, décolleté. Layer with other Aruca perfume bombs to create unique, buildable, personalized scent. But yes, so they got the right thing. They got soft floral, mandarin, aka citrus, and like musk. That's like all the stuff that I like in a perfume, and they got it right. So like, I don't understand how they got this right as a choice item, even though I put this as an add-on. But I said I hate lavender. Every single time they give me something with lavender, I say no, I hate lavender. So why they gave me this as a choice? See, they make me happy with this, and then they fuck it up with this. I mean, I don't like the brush set. It's alright. I would have liked the fairer brush set with the big puff, the powder brush. But you know, brushes are brushes, so I can't get mad at that. I love brushes. The next thing is this. Now, when I say the right shade that I ordered, because the right shade that I ordered was dark brown. I'm either dark brown or ebony, and Anastasia Beverly Hills dip brow gel. And they gave me so many brow products before, always dark brown or brown and black, or one time it was black. It was they gave me so many dark brown products. Why, when it's a brow gel, it's chocolate? They gave me number 5 or 4.5 in benefit, and they think that chocolate would be the perfect one for me? Chocolate? No. This is like the same color as my skin color. Like, come on now. It's just a little bit darker, but still, that's not my brows. My brows deeper than this. So this is on my Macari. The link will be down below. Go check it out. This is in the shade chocolate. If you're in the shade chocolate, go check it out and hit it up. This retails for $20. I can't believe it. So that's 1, 2, 3. The fourth product is something that I also chose. This is something that I have a mini in. This is the Milk Makeup High Volume Kush Mascara. This is in Bloom, aka Black. This is $24. It has 10 milliliters. This is a full size. Of course, it's a full size. Everything is a full size up in this bag. But yeah, so I got a mini of this, and I really liked it. I have 2 minis of this, and I really liked it. I've done with 1, so I only have 1 left. And I was like, yo, you know what? I could always have a full backup. I never have a full backup. I always have like minis and minis and minis because I have different mascaras. But yeah, so I'm happy to have this. Yeah. That's all I gotta say is I'm happy to have it. The next thing is I almost dropped the bag. Okay. So this is Dr. Brandt Pores No More Vacuum Cleaner. This is the facial mask. This has 1 fluid ounce. This is $42. I really do like this. I really do like this. I'd never tried it before. I always tried Dr. Brandt Pores. Like I have the scrub, I have the cleanser, which I really do like. So I was like, you know what? Let me try the mask. And this is $42. Dr. Brandt stuff is very, very expensive. I mean, you could get it at Ulta and use your points, but to be honest, I'd rather just get it up in BoxyCharm and Ipsy. Usually you find Dr. Brandt stuff in BoxyCharm, but since Ipsy bought BoxyCharm, they've been, using each other's brands. And I mean, it is what it is. It's a pore purifying mask, and I kind of need that, especially after me getting well for this cold. I'm gonna need that. Oh, my ears ringing. Anyways, I like this. So the total of my box is $128.95. So it's over $100, over $120. It's perfect. Okay, minus the deodorant, because that's the one thing I really do not like, and minus the wrong shade of Anastasia Beverly Hills brow gel. It's $90.95. So I still saved some money, because I would have bought the mini of the mascara, not the full size, so I saved money on that. I also would never bought the Shayna B brush set, but I would have bought some Morphe brushes, and this is looking like this. So I mean, I guess that's cool. And I would have, if I went to Ulta, I would have got this, but I would have used my points. So it's basically like me getting the stuff and using my points. That's basically what it is. And then I got some free stuff in a bag extra. So yeah, that's all I gotta say. I'm not really happy about this bag. I'm not gonna hold you. I saw the spoilers of Ipsy Glam bag, the original one, the $12 one, and it's fire. It's way better than this. They had the Compass Culture concealer in my shade in the Ipsy Glam bag, but not Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. So that was disappointing, because I could have gotten a concealer, and it was like 3 different concealers and 2 was my shades. So I could have got a complexion product. I could have got a better bag if I went with the regular Ipsy Glam bag instead of Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. But it is what it is. I just know next month I'm not getting Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, because it just keeps on disappointing me. It's keep on paying an okay bag, and I'm paying like $27, $22 for it, because it's $25 plus tax. So I'm paying extra money for this for no reason. Anyways, that's it for this video. I hope you guys have a great day. I really enjoyed watching this, and goodbye, you guys. I'm really tired and I'm really sick, so just this video right here, head right here. Go check them out. Okay.